Get it. Tell me when you scratch and it's my turn, okay?
Oh, you're in the way.
Scratch. My turn. Whoa. I missed.
Don't be such a hurry. You know how to hold it. Look at that.
I know how to do it harder than that, too.
Yeah, you almost got that one in.
Whoa, he knows how to do it.
You gonna hit it again? Let's see you hit it again. Hit that yellow ball again. Oh, that was close too. Yep. Yeah. Look at that scratch.
Yeah, okay.